This is the Redragon Parvati K591. Comes with a keycap puller, business card, a sticker, and the instruction book. First thing I notice is on the front corners, it looks like the plastic is crushed a little bit. And the box wasn't damaged at all, and it was packaged fairly nicely. I think that happened at the factory during assembly. You don't really notice the crushed plastic when the keyboard is on. I chose this model because it has low profile switches. Typing feels great, spacebar works perfect. After messing with it a few days, this is where I ended up. I have solid colors on certain keys. To program individual keys, you press the function key and the tilde key. Then you press function right arrow to choose a color, and the color changes right here. And then you go through the keys. That's green. This is light blue. This is orange. And then you hit function tilde again and it saves it. If you change it to one of these animated things, you can always go back to your program set by hitting function tilde. Goes back to your memory. You hit function down and there's 5 levels of brightness. For the end caps, you can change the speed. There's 4 levels of speed adjustment, and you can change the color. There's 3 different animations, and then there's solid colors. I like this dark blue the best. If you put the computer to sleep or unplug and replug the keyboard, it remembers your program. This is a USB power meter. With the lights off, it uses about 0.2 watts. With the lights on max brightness, the keyboard uses about 1 watt of electricity. This light is the scroll lock. This light is the num lock. And this light is the caps lock. It feels nice and heavy, high quality. On the back of the keyboard, there's little feet that prop up. It also has rubberized, non-slip feet. It's exactly 17 1/8 inches wide, 5 1/8 inches deep, and 1 1/8 inches high. The USB cord is 6 feet 2 inches long, has this little Velcro strap, and also an interference eliminator. The USB cable seems pretty thick. There's 18 animations. First one is called the Trial of Light. This is called Breathing. And you can change the color by hitting function right arrow. And there's 9 different colors. One of them is the rainbow pattern. This is called Normally On. And you can just pick one solid color. This is called Ripple Graph, where when you press a key it does something. This is called Pass Without Trace. This is called Coastal. This is called Both Ways. That would drive me crazy. This is called Surmount. This is called Fast and the Furious. And you can adjust the speed. Function minus or plus. That's the lowest speed. That's the fastest speed. This is called Go with the Stream. This is called Clouds Fly. This is called Winding Paths. This is called Flowers Blooming. This is called Snow Winter Jasmine. This is Swift Action. This is Hurricane. This is Accumulate. Kind of just looks solid. And this is Digital Times. So I think this keyboard is awesome. Definitely a must-have purchase. Thanks for watching.